Kittens, what is it? Has a songbird gotten loose? I'd better check outside. Birdie, come here, flyaway bird.
Ryder, my cover's been blown. I'm getting bombarded.
Copy, Chase. But Mayor Humding is blocking the entrance. I know. Can you get me the remote to the kitty carrier?
I can try. Ouch, this is getting uncomfortable. Too much wool, too many kittens. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
What? Kittens, come back here!
Well done, Chase. It looks like Mayor Humdinger and the kittens will be busy for a while.
Fly home, little songbirds.
They might need some help finding their way. Good thing that I know just the path to call.
Tweedly tweet! Come on, little birdies!
There they are!
Hear that? That's their way of saying thank you, Paw Patrol.
Glad to help, Mayor. Whenever you have a problem, just tweet for help.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.